With our universal emergency module, you get the universal emergency module, the emergency indicator light, the three-way connector, instructions and the stickers to indicate if that luminaire has been wired to be maintained or non-maintained. When you receive our universal emergency module, it is worth noting that the battery will be inside the module but will be disconnected. So before commencing installation, you must first take the battery out, connect the battery, and then you can continue with your installation. The luminaire you are using our universal emergency module with does not have circular DC connectors. Then you simply unscrew the cover, take the cover off, and then using the push fit terminals there, you can remove the connectors that we provide and put your own in if your own have different types of connectors. To assist you with installing our universal emergency module with luminaires, in with the universal emergency module box, you will receive this three-way connector. This helps you to connect the driver, the luminaire and the emergency module together. Here's how. This connector from the UEM quite simply says LED, so that's where we connect it to the three-way connector. We then connect the luminaire, in this case our faceted downlight, to this side of the three-way connector and the driver to here. If your luminaire has the DC connectors a little bit differently, you can remove the screws, take the cover off, and with push fit terminals change the connectors over. The only thing to maintain is that the luminaire goes in to the side marked LED, the driver goes into the side marked driver, and the emergency module comes out from the emergency module. So here we have our LED indicator light, the emergency module connected via the three-way connector to the driver and the luminaire, and the driver and the UEM would each have their own supplies.